I got some deliveries, and this time it is from SPANKY'S Chicken Wing House. SPANKY'S, which is known for their classic Cebuano chicken taste that originated way back in 1983, is now offering delivery. Aside from their fried chicken, they are also known for their chicken liver and gizzard, their SOTANGHON GUISADO, and their CALAMARES. To order, you may search them in foodpanda or in Grab Delivery, or you can call them directly at 032-238-8406 or 0945-354-6052. They accept orders and deliveries from Mondays to Saturdays from 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. And now we are having their chicken deluxe. Ilang chicken deluxe is 3 pieces of chicken, whether it could be thigh, drumstick, wings, or rib keel. And it comes with a cup of steamed rice, coleslaw, and of course, french fries. Kung taga Cebu mo, ugwa pa mo kakaon sa SPANKY'S, asa man di ay mo oy, ilahang chicken, lami ni siya kanon, kuyog ug banana ketchup o Worcestershire sauce. Plus, ang ilahag yung lami nga coleslaw. And now, let's try their chicken gizzard nga 120 pesos o nasa sila chicken liver nga 120 pesos also. We are also having their calamares at 200 pesos nga perfect kayo kuyog silang coleslaw or sa ilahang ketchup plus Worcestershire sauce. Kung bumakaon itagbalik sa ilahang chicken, samtang init pa kay bag-og ikang luto the moment they deliver it, so hagpo pa sa jud kaayo ang ilahang panit. And lastly, we are having their SOTANGHON GUISADO nga tag 200 pesos, which is good for 3 to 4 people. Nga grabe sa gid kay kasiksik nyo, kanang gayong rag fishbowl og shrimp pa lang pwede na nimo isudan. Rice pa please. Bitaw guys, oy. Always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!